Honestly, the best like hair products I've ever tried, and it's like my lifesaver product if my skin is ever breaking out. How easy it just like blends in. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. Hi lovelies, I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel. My name is Catherine and today I'm going to be showing you some of my favourite beauty products from Look Fantastic. I've done a little order from there, so I have this box filled with some of my favourite like makeup products, beauty, skincare, hair care, so there's a little bit of everything. And I think all of these would make great Christmas presents as well, whether you're buying for like friends or family or you just want to treat yourself to something a little bit special. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoy it and to subscribe to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel and to turn on the little notification bell to keep updated with future videos. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay, so first product I picked up is from NARS. This is one of their tinted moisturisers. Honestly, I absolutely love these. They go on your skin so well. They're just like a nice sheer tint of colour when you're not wanting to wear like a full face of makeup, but you want to wear like something on your skin. I ended up picking it up in the shade Alaska Light 2 because I do have this already in a darker shade, but that's kind of like my summer colour when I'm a little bit tanned. But considering we're getting into winter now and I haven't been seeing much sun, I needed to pick it up in a lighter colour. The next product I picked up is Olaplex No. 0. Now, I honestly swear by Olaplex. Honestly, the best like hair products I've ever tried. I've obviously like bleached my hair, highlighted it. I use a lot of heat on it, so it can get quite damaged. And Olaplex has definitely like saved it. I have like the shampoo, I have the conditioner, I have the Olaplex No. 3, which is like the deep conditioning mask. So this is Olaplex No. 0, which is the intensive bond building hair treatment. I think it's supposed to be paired with No. 3, so you apply this first and then you apply No. 3, I'm pretty sure. I love every Olaplex product I've tried, so I'm super excited to try this out and give it a go. The next product I picked up is the Clinique Chubby Stick. So this is their like bronzing one. Honestly, love these. They're so easy to use. You just kind of go like that and then blend it in with a brush, and it just blends so easy. Gives your skin like a really nice kind of sun-kissed tanned look, whilst also like creating a little bit of a contour, making your cheekbones pop, which is what we all love, I think. But yeah, highly recommend these. They're honestly so easy. If I do like a little swatch on the back of my hand, and then you can kind of see how easy it just like blends in. Just creates like a really nice kind of wash of bronzy colour, which is what we all want like during this winter time where we're all super pale. You know, we've got to fake it with makeup with a little bit of contour, some bronzer, fake tan. I'm all about like faking the sun-kissed glowy look. Now moving on to some skincare products. I'm all about like investing in good skincare. I think it really pays off in like the long run. So the first product I have is the La Roche-Posay Everclar Duo. I think that's how you say it. I've been using this for years now. Honestly, the best if you've got like problematic skin, like my skin's just ever playing up, it's a little bit like spotty or there's some texture. Apply this of an evening. You apply it like a moisturiser, or you can apply it like under your makeup. Honestly, next day wake up with like brand new clear skin. It is honestly amazing. It's like my lifesaver product. If my skin is ever breaking out, this is what I always go to. It's not too harsh. Like I said, it literally applies like a moisturiser. So I'll show you like on the back of my hand. It's just like a white kind of cream. Blend it in like that, leave it on, and it works its magic. So the next skincare product I picked up is the Alpha H Liquid Gold with glycolic acid. Now I've never actually tried this, but I've seen so many people like rave about it. So I'm super excited to give it a go. Supposed to be amazing for your skin. It has glycolic acid in, which is a chemical exfoliant, so that helps to get rid of all like your dead skin cells and makes your skin look super kind of bright and luminous and dewy. So you just pour a little bit onto like a cotton pad and wipe it over your skin of an evening and before like moisturiser. I'll probably use this like every other night, I'd say, or maybe like a few times a week. You don't really want to be using it every single night because it can be a little bit harsh. Next item I have is the NARS Afterglow Lip Balm. So this is in the shade Orgasm. Honestly, love this. First of all, packaging, so cute, but they're just so easy to apply. If I put some on right now, They're super moisturising on your lips. They add like a little bit of a colour, but nothing kind of too much, and you can just keep it in your makeup bag, apply throughout the day, keeps your lips looking super moisturised, and gives like a little bit of a gloss to them as well. Next up is the Tan Luxe Illuminating Self Tan drops, if I get them out of the little packaging box. So this is what they look like. So you normally just apply a few little drops of this in with your moisturiser. You can apply 1 drop for just like a little bit of a glow, or kind of 3 or 4 drops if you're wanting more of like a proper tanned look. And yeah, you just rub it into your face and then wash your hands after use. Remember to do that, otherwise you'll end up with orange hands. And then it kind of develops over time and leaves you with the nicest kind of like tanned glowy skin. It doesn't look patchy. I feel like fake tan on your face is quite a hard thing to get right, and these are just amazing at doing it. It's great if you're kind of fake tan in your body, but you don't really want to use the fake tan on your body on your face, if that makes sense. So you can use these instead. I find this little bottle goes like a long way because you're only like adding 1 or 2 drops into a moisturiser. This can quite easily last you about like 6 to 9 months or so if you're applying it maybe like once a week. We then have the Colour Wow Dream Coat Spray. Now this is another product I haven't tried, but I've seen so many people talk about it. I'm super into like making my hair look super healthy. Obviously it's highlighted, I use heat on it, so it can get quite damaged. So like the Olaplex, I do kind of like to treat it with different treatments and products. So after you wash your hair, you section your hair and spray this through each section, and then I think you like blow dry it by normal, and then it just acts as like a sealant with your hair, so it helps to reduce any like frizz, any humidity, and I think it can last like up to 3 or 4 washes, so super good. And obviously in that it reduces the amount of heat you'll probably use on your hair, because my hair can get quite frizzy. So if I like straighten my hair one day, the next day I'm gonna have to straighten it again because it's frizzy again. So I'm hoping that this will just help to like smooth everything out, and mean I can wear my hair like a few days straight without having to go in every single day and like use heat on it again. Another hair care product is the Way Matte Pomade. So this is amazing if you're going for like a slicked back bun. I love the kind of like low bun hairstyle where you go like this and then you slick all your hair down, and this is the best for creating that look. I have like a lot of little baby hairs and stuff, so they always end up like flying out, whereas this really helps to kind of seal everything in. I like that it's matte, it's not like a shiny kind of gel consistency, because I find that sometimes like the gels, they make your hair like really kind of crispy and look a bit greasy, whereas this just helps to slick everything down without making it look like greasy or wet or anything like that. But yes, it just looks like this, and you just get a little bit on your fingers, kind of rub it in, and then go like that with it. And then last product is an oldie but a goodie, and it's the NYX Butter Glosses. I have these in literally every colour. They're my favourite glosses. They go on so smooth, not sticky at all. They have like a little bit of a colour but nothing too much. They smell super nice as well, and they're super affordable. So yeah, this is in the shade Praline, so it's kind of like a dark browny colour, but yeah, I just absolutely love these. Like I said, I have them in quite a few other colours as well. So that's the end of my Look Fantastic haul. I really hope you enjoyed seeing what I picked up from there. Let me know what your favourite items from Look Fantastic are in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I hope you all have a good day. Bye!